morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Another trip to Maldives. It's very cold. 6 a.m. going to the KSRTC bus stand, taking the fly bus to the airport. It was raining I think last night again. Rains are too much this year I think. Looks really scary to see so much of vehicles, because for me usually it's just walking towards my office or taking a taxi. In Malé it's not that crowded. Creating a real mess nowadays. Most of the places are raining and it's creating problems for many people. Daily wages people, they cannot go for work, and a lot of things are disturbed because of the rain. It's too much of rain, right? So guys, done with the check-in. I am sitting at the Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore. It's raining heavy. Flights are coming and going. It's a good view, but very less international flights. Finished the checking. Interesting thing at the Air India counter. Luckily, Tata has taken over Air India. The kind of staff sitting there. I went there, showed the ticket on my phone. Then she told me I need to get your work visa copy, your vaccination certificate, your COVID test, all these documents. Then I told everything is in the phone. Oh, everything is in the phone? Don't you have printed copies? I thought I did a mistake. I asked her, is it mandatory to get printed copies? Is it? So nobody told me about that, because all these years I've been traveling and I never print tickets or any copies of any papers. Then her face changed, and then I told no, I don't print these documents every time. I have it in my phone and I'll show you one by one. Her face was like as if I did something wrong. She didn't like it. She wanted all printed papers. Maybe that's the reason Air India has been performing like this. People like this working in that organization will never let it come into profit or do well. Anyway, Tata has taken over and hopefully they make this national carrier Air India Maharaja a success. So today I'm going to talk about working in Maldives. Many people ask me about jobs in Maldives. Maldives is a country where lots of expatriates are working, and many Indians are working, and many people from different countries are working there, especially in the hotel industry. Nowadays, Maldives is very strictly looking into localization. They do not want any expatriate. Like if there is a local available, they would want to give the job to the local. That's the right thing they are doing. They have to do that. I have been working in Maldives since I think 2002, almost 20 years now. For me it was a great experience, really changed my life. Most of my career was in Maldives and I could do a lot there, but unless you have a very good employer, very good job, it's not that very easy to work there. Most of the jobs in Maldives, you need to stay there and work there, and once in a year or once in twice a year you may be able to go home, depending upon your company, your holidays, your package. I come to India almost every month because I spend like say 10 to 15 days in Maldives, but I keep working from wherever I am traveling. Usually I used to travel to other countries for business purposes for my company, but after COVID I didn't travel much. Maybe from January I'll be traveling more to other countries also for business purpose. Working abroad, there are so many advantages. You can save good money if you are getting a good package. So again, nowadays in India you have really good jobs also, so it's not a big worry to go abroad and work and make a lot of money. You can make good money even if you are working in India also. Today's flight is Air India. Usually last two trips I traveled on Indigo because Air India had stopped the Bangalore Male flight, direct flight. Still it's not there. Today I came to know after coming here that the flight would be landing in Trivandrum, and from there there'll be some more passengers getting down and getting in also, and then the flight would go to Male. There's one more option, that's Go Air. Go Air flight. Go Air flight is there to Male. It leaves around 12:50. So I could have taken this also. Anyway, today I am not going to the office. I'll be staying in Male. Working in Maldives, especially in the hotel industry, is good. The salaries are really good compared to the neighboring countries like India and Sri Lanka, and even many other countries also, because we find nationals from even European countries coming there and working. So maybe some come for experience, some come for because Maldives is a very prestigious location, and people would definitely want to come and work here.
Cosmetics leka सुनिश्चित कर ले कि आपका सारा सामान और बड़े सामान कॉस्मेटिक्स लगा है।